Hi guys, my name is Shelby and today I'm going to be guiding you on a couple of quick and easy costumes for kids using thrifted treasures from Palmetto Goodwill. The first costume we're going to be focusing on this week is a JoJo Siwa costume. JoJo's known for her bright colors, flared skirts, and cute outfits, so find a dress and get started. I found a jean jacket that I'm going to cut the sleeves off of to create a denim vest. You can add patches, rhinestones, or anything your heart desires. I started by adding rhinestones using hot glue. This is a great way to get your kids involved because this will allow them to choose the placement of the rhinestones while you hot glue them down. I also used dimensional fabric paint to create custom designs like hearts, rainbows, and stars. I also added glitter on top of the wet fabric paint to create a beautiful glitterized rainbow effect on the fabric paint. Then you put it all together and you've got your JoJo Siwa costume. I started with a dress, but I also had an alternative outfit of a flared skirt and a cute little top to go with it. Then you start with making your shoes, so you can use hot glue or another type of glue to affix the rhinestones to your shoes. I like using E6000 because it has a strong, lasting hold. Make sure you use this in a well-ventilated area so that fumes do not hurt you or your little kiddos. I also made a bow using 2 loops of wired ribbon tied around a piece of tulle. And there you have it, your JoJo Siwa costume, quick, easy, and ready for Halloween. My second costume's inspiration came when I found this beautiful red coat in my local Goodwill and decided to make a Carmen Sandiego costume based on the new Netflix original Carmen Sandiego. So I grabbed a long-brimmed hat, a black shirt, and a pair of black pants, and a cute pair of black boots. I started by taking off the brooch that was affixed to the coat using a seam ripper. I then used an all-purpose spray paint good for fabric, wood, metal, and more. Make sure you get the inner brim of the hat as well as the outer brim since they will all be visible. I worked in layers, so I put one layer down and then I came back around after it dried so that I had an opaque, beautiful layer. I then used a piece of ribbon to create the black band and affixed with hot glue. To create Carmen's brooch, I used a piece of aluminum floral wire, which is easy to mold by hand and can easily be snipped using a pair of regular scissors. To deepen the crease, you can go ahead and pull it in the opposite direction to give it a little bit of a deeper crease to the triangle. And then you can just mold it back into the correct shape using your fingers. I closed mine using a dot of hot glue in the very corner. I then took it outside and spray painted it with a metallic gold spray paint. Once dried, I affixed it to my costume using a couple of quick whip stitches in the very corner of the triangles. And voila, you have your completed Carmen Sandiego costume. And there you have it, a couple of quick and easy costumes you can make using things found at your local Palmetto Goodwill. Tune in next week for a couple of quick and easy costumes for couples.